Hello guys. Today hello guys. Today I'll be showing you how to link CSS to your HTML file. So what I'm going to do first is to show you how to download um, a software. Like in my own case, I made use of um, Visual Studio Code or VSC, but some people can use Sublime text. So it depends on you. So I will show you how to download VSC. So what you're going to do is to type Visual Studio Code download. So as you can see, so I'll click on the first. So I'll wait. Okay, so as you can see, I have this in my laptop already. So you just go ahead and click on Windows. So if you have Windows, but if you have Mac, you click on Mac, and it's going to download, and from there you can install it, and so on and so forth. So as you can see here on the screen, I have my Visual Studio Code or VSC, as you can call it. So what I want to show you here is to show you how to link SCSS, or what we call SAS. So the first thing you should do, so just go ahead and close this. The first thing you should do is just to go to this icon here, extensions. You click on extension. So what you're going to add, because this is where you can actually add your plugins or numerous plugins. So you just type live sats. So as you can see here, so this is the one you're going to install. So you just click on live sats compiler or compile. So I have already installed in my system, so you just go ahead and install it. So the next thing you're going to install is going to be live server. You just type and search. So as you can see, so this is live server I'm going to install. So I have it in my VSC code already. So what it's going to do is just go ahead and install. So I've been showing that. So what I'm going to do is just to close this, and then I'll show you how to link it up. So the first thing you're going to do before you do anything is to create a folder. So as you can see, just go to new year and create a folder, and you can give your folder whichever name you want, or whatever name you want. So let's, in my own case, I'll call this HTML folder. So inside this HTML folder, so if I'm going to open it, so I have different thing here. So I can save my file there. So I'll just go to VSC. In this case, I'm going to open a folder. So as you can see, I have my folder here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the folder. So it opens. So I have my HTML folder. So what I'm going to do here in this folder is to add a new file. So in this case, I'm going to add, let's say, text.html. So as you can see, the next thing I'm going to do is to add a new folder. Sorry, in this case, I'm going to name it CSS folder. So sorry, I have to rename that to main.scss. So Oh, sorry, I have to rename that to CSS because that's a folder. So inside this CSS folder, I'm going to add a file. So in this case, I'm going to name it main.scss. So as you can see, if you look down, you see watch stats. So if I click on this watch stats, it's going to compile it for me. So if I click that, you see that it brings the main CSS, and we have the main.scss. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to go to HTML file. So for you to access the HTML element, so what you're going to do is to hold down your shifts and your one where you have your semicolon. So that's where you're going to click. So you're going to press down two of them together. So as you can see, so you select this, so it brings out your HTML. So in this case now, I'll show you how to link this file. So what I'm going to do here is on your head, you can see your head tag. So is your title. This is your title. Yes, actually know what you really want to the name you want to give to your folder or to your file. And in this case, since I don't want to talk about that, so I have to show you how to link your CSS file to HTML. So in this case, I'll just type style, so you can see it automatically bring up style. So just go ahead and click it. Oh, sorry, it's not style. So what you're gonna do is just to type link. So as you can see, bring links. So you can see it define the links, so what you just have to do here is to input the link, the name of the link you want to link the HTML file to. So in this case, it's main.scss. So you're not just going to type in there. So you go to main.css. So just type style CSS, you could say, and it shows here main.css. So it means that it's linked to this file. So I will just go ahead and go to the body, because in any file or in any project you want to do, you start off with the body. So let's say I do hello world. I'll just save it, and then I'll just go to live, open with live server. So I'm just going to wait for that to open up. So as you can see here, so I'll just adjust this, so make it smaller. So as you can see, the reason for live server is that instead for you to reload here, so anything that you do on your HTML file, it's automatically updated. So in this case now, go to main.scss. It's just like your SCSS, but it's different from CSS. Sorry. So because it give you an advantage, an edge, to particular style you want to give to your project. So yeah, I'll just, because since this is, I'll go back to HTML. So I made a mistake here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give h1 tag, which is the so yeah, I'm going to type hello world. So if I go here, I'll do h1 space, then I'm going to type color, because I want to change the color from black to, let's say, blue. So once I type color, I'll say blue color, so I'll give it a blue color. or just save this. So it automatically updates. So you can see from black color to um, blue color. So in this case, we've successfully linked HTML file to CSS file. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell for updates. Thanks for your time.